Hi, this is Unpacking Realme C55 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. So let's check this. This is the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original one, Realme charger with all of the specs. Also we got here the small paper box with the SIM eject tool. Some paper works like the quick start guide, the safety guide with the warranty card, and this is the protective silicone case in gray clear color. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.